How to claim unclaimed property from the great state of Kentucky. Well, here's the page that you're going to be directed to through my book or booklet, whichever one you have. And you're going to want a property search under your name. So let's try with Smith. And then let's just hit search properties. Okay, I'm not a robot. Okay, search properties. This may take a minute to show up, but here you go. Aaron, Acorn, Hughes, and Smith. Unknown, $10 to $100. You want to look at the addresses, your name, to make sure that the address, your name, the address, the city, and the state, and the zip code match up exactly. This is how you'll know that you have a good shot of getting it. This in fact, could be you. And you can scroll down and see over 100, over 100. Now, over the 100 could mean $110, could mean $200, could mean up to $1,000. It just really depends. And I have no way to know what you're going to get. So let's go to the last page and find something. They're all pretty much over $10. So let's do this one. Wayne R. Smith, Box 63, Fort Knox, Kentucky, 40121, over $100. Now, you may not seem like that's a lot of money, but he may have multiple claims, and there may end up on the other page being another claim worth thousands of dollars. It's very possible. So we're going to hit add. And then we're going to claim the properties in my cart. Here's the properties in my cart. Again, Wayne R. Smith, Box 65363, Fort Knox, Kentucky. And we're going to do it for self because I'm saying I am Wayne Smith. Continue search. And let's see. Let's go to the claim. All right, so this one's a little bit different. For the state of Kentucky, once you go through the page and you find something that you're claiming, you can continue a search, but you will need to register for an account so that you can continue to do searches and searches. It doesn't cost you anything to register, just so you have it in reference and you can keep going back and maybe checking your friends' names. But let's see if it will let me go ahead with me continuing. It's asking for the social security number of Wayne R. Smith, which I don't have. First, last, and middle names. Street address. Don't have any of this. The only thing that looks like they will deduct from each cash property over $10 for Treasury advertising. So you can accept that. You can continue to search. Once you continue to search, you can keep going and going and going and finding more claims for yourself. But ultimately, you're going to have to log in, create an account, and then fill out all the paperwork necessary. Once you do that, they will send you a confirmation email with your claim ID number in it, which is important for you to use when you upload the documentation they want. They've also included a list of documentation that you need in order to verify that this is you. Very important. Make sure your current physical mailing address is correct. That's where the check will be coming. Best wishes. If you get a check, take a picture of you with the check and send it to me. I'd love to add you to my book.